Here's a little princess.
My slippers, my slippers.
Those are my slippers. Actually, should be even smaller if those were your slippers.
Those have killed love bugs on those.
Get a little heart on her butt. Look at that shine on my floor. Oh yeah. Let's see here. Forget the dog. Look at that shine. Mm-hmm. That's what I'm talking about. What? I like my floors. Princess. No, I shouldn't like that. Get out of my juice. Get her out of there, Bella. Hurry. What? Yeah, don't let her, that will stain her bad. The beet juice and everything. She get it on her face?
Yeah.
Okay, take her.